Toys are lying on the floor. Tony says no mess no more. Time to clean and to restore, learning habits we adore, clean like never before. Pick them up one by one. Cleaning toys is lots of fun. Tony smiles when he is done. Shiny room for everyone. Job well done. Wipe the table nice and slow. Watch it shine and softly glow. Tony learns and starts to know. Clean habits help us grow. Let it show. Trash belongs inside the bin. Keeping clean is how we win. Tony throws it with a grin. Clean world always begins from within. Brush your teeth both day and night. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Tony smiles with pure delight. Healthy habits feel so right. Sparkle white. Soap and water scrub away. Wash your hands throughout the day. Tony laughs while he plays. Clean hands keep germs away. Hip hooray! Dirty clothes go in the bin. Clean ones make us fresh within. Tony learns with a grin. Neatness always wins. Let's begin. Sweep the floor, make it neat. Move the dust from your feet. Tony works with steady beat. Cleaning makes the room complete. Nice and sweet. Room is clean and shining bright. Everything is just right. Tony smiles with delight. Clean habits give us light. Happy sight. Wave goodbye with happy cheer. Good habits bring us near. Tony smiles ear to ear and bright all through the year. See you, dear.